Nopales Ridge Trail at Lake Brownwood State Park is definitely not some crazy downhill, but if you're in the area or at Lake Brownwood State Park in Texas, this is definitely one to check out. Nopales Ridge Trail is the only trail at Lake Brownwood State Park that allows bikes. It is just under 3 miles long, and it's got a nice mix of fast sections, tight turns, and just enough rock to keep things interesting. This trail is rated a intermediate. Nopales Ridge Trail is rated an intermediate, and I definitely agree with that. It only has one climb and one descent. Otherwise, it is a pretty XC loop. This trail is definitely more XC, so make sure you keep your momentum and don't get too sloppy on the turns because they can catch you out. There is a lot of cactus here, so make sure you stay on the trail or otherwise you will end up in a cactus bush, which is definitely not a fun thing to do. This is definitely not a boring park loop by any means, but I would definitely not drive out here to get it. This is not a boring park loop by any means. I definitely not drive out there to get it, but if you are out there, I definitely ride it. I would say this trail is definitely good for beginners who are kind of pushing intermediate and want to try to test those skills. This is definitely one that you can do that on. If you're expecting huge features and rowdy descents, this is definitely not the trail for you. But if you want a scenic trail that you can take the whole family on and you can just keep moving and have fun, this is definitely one for you. Nopales Ridge Trail is one of those trails that flows just fun enough and keeps you working all at the same time. If you like these types of trail previews, let me know in the comment section down below and hit subscribe while you're down there. I'd really appreciate it. Now let's drop into Nopales Ridge Trail. Hey, thank you. that was Nopales Ridge Trail. I hope you enjoy this trail preview, but Spider Mountain Bike Park is only 2 hours away from Lake Brownwood State Park, and I definitely recommend it. Go on and check out my full video right here. I'll see you over there.